Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Patriot and I will show you how to reset and remove change engine oil message on the instrument cluster. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Now this message is nothing to be worried about, it is just the oil change interval reminder, and it's actually quite handy, and you're supposed to reset it every time after you change the engine oil, and that way you won't forget to do it in the future. So to reset the message, what you want to do, you want to insert the key into the ignition lock and you want to turn it to the on position, but do not start the vehicle, so that's 2 turns to the right, 1, 2. And once you do that, you will press the gas pedal 3 times slowly. So 1, 2, 3. And now you will turn the key to the off position and you will remove the key from the ignition lock. And this very simple process will remove that message and reset the oil change indicator. Now if you start the vehicle, that message should not be here anymore. If you still have the message, just try to repeat that process several times until it's gone. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.